request all to give standing ovation by clapping our hands. Hearty welcome to our chief guests, officials, to all our special guests, friends and well-wishers. Let us give a big clap and welcome them. Let's all give a big hand and welcome our chief guests, our big college officials and our special guests. Kindly be seated.
A very pleasant evening and a hearty welcome to each and everyone present here. So much hard work and determination have brought you to this point in your life. What was just a dream is now a dream come true. You invested your heart in this challenge and had some fun along the way. But the road to success was not an easy one. It never is. It was paved with sharp turns and steep hills, but you held onto the wheel and kept going. You should be proud of that. And yeah, today is a day of celebration, a day to celebrate the lessons you learned and the friendship you made along the way. It's a day to acknowledge the past and embrace the future. A day of family, friends and recollections. A day to tell you that our hearts are filled with pride and love for you. The world is waiting. Go and make a difference. With this enthusiastic feeling, I would like to welcome you formally to this grand 64th College Day celebration.
With this leading spirit, we move towards to experience the presence of God. Prayer is not getting humans' will done in heaven, but getting God's will done on earth. It is not overcoming God's reluctance, but laying hold of God's willingness. To start this celebration with the blessings and graces of God, may I invite our college choir to attune our hearts and raise them to the divine realm. Kindly stand up for the prayer song.
By the
Thank you, choir, for invoking the presence of God on this wonderful occasion.
It is indeed a great pleasure and joy to have many dignitaries, college officials, fathers, brothers, sisters, teaching and non-teaching staff and students and well-wishers in joining the family celebration of St. Xavier's College of Education.
As our tradition, we treat our guests as gods, Atithi Devo Bhava. It is always a human tendency to get along with the new faces and places, and this alma mater, St. Xavier's College of Education, keeps her arms wide open to welcome anyone who comes with thirst for knowledge and wisdom. For we are the home, we are the world, and we are the island where knowledge and love can be found. With this pleasant feeling, I would like to invite Dr. A. Punita Mary, the Vice Principal of St. Xavier's College of Education, to welcome you all and make you feel at home.
Respected Reverend Father Rector, Reverend Father Secretary, Reverend Father Principal, the distinguished guests on and off stage, teaching and non-teaching staff and students, good evening to all of you. Today is an auspicious day in the history of St. Xavier's College of Education as it celebrates its 64th College Day. I am very glad to note that the college grows in three virtues, namely commitment, compassion, and competence, year by year and day by day. The consistent growth and development of the college has been recognized by NAC, which has re-accredited with A grade third time with CGP 3.67. In the last 64 years of its journey, the college has produced numerous prospective teachers, educational scientists, and very good moral and disciplined citizens. It's my immense joy to say that the college is raised to the second rank in the field of education at the national level. With this elevated profile, I have great pleasure and privilege to welcome all of you to the 64th College Day celebration. All of us gathered here have experienced and cherished the memory of an illustrious leadership whose service has been inseparably linked to the growth and development of St. Xavier's Institution's Palangut. Having achieved a lot in his first innings as rector, he possesses simplicity, availability, punctuality, and honesty. He had left an indelible imprint among students. He has an abiding interest for music and is a composer of many songs. The exacting thoroughness with which he has worked in his academic pursuits and social service earned him an enduring reputation as a great leader. This leader is none other than Reverend Father Rector Dr. J. Dennis Ponaya, SD. I extend a warm welcome to you, Father. Welcome, Father. It's my pleasant and burden duty to say a few words about the Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Perumal Swami, the Vice Chancellor, Nurul Islam University, of the Chief Guest of this program. His committed contribution and invaluable service to the field of education is commendable. He served as the State Information Commissioner, Government of Tamil Nadu. He was also Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission member and a syndicate member in Mananmaniam Sundarnar University, Tirunelveli. He was a principal in a well-reputed college, namely Thiruvalluvar College, Papanasam. He received the Best Principal Award from the Government of Tamil Nadu in the year 1994-95. He received also the Best Rotarian Award for 2001-2 from Rotary International in 2004 for outstanding contribution in the area of service. He is the author of 4 English books and 3 Tamil books. On behalf of the college management, I am delighted to welcome him for this program. Hearty welcome to you, sir. Each day holds a surprise. Likewise, each work he does gives a joy and surprise. He is known for his commitment and dedication. He does everything with full interest and zeal. His presence does invite us to care for each other and work as a team. He is silent, yet pays attention to the needs of college, staff and students. He is our secretary, Reverend Father Ludhiswamy, SJ. I am extremely honored to welcome Reverend Dr. Ludhiswamy, the secretary of this prestigious college. Welcome, Father. Our most honorable principal, the backbone and the lifeblood of our college, Reverend Dr. Thomas Alexander, is the next one to be welcomed. He is a man who is known for his selfless service. Not only does he inspire students with his powerful teaching, but also with moral guidance and discipline in and through his life. He is the one who works diligently for the welfare of our college. He grabs the attention of the students with his eloquence and cheerfulness. He radiates his positive vibration to all the people in and around him. I am happy to welcome you on this occasion. Welcome, Father. Next, I would like to welcome Reverend Dr. Amardas Xavier SJ, whose sincere work and systematic planning helps the college to run along the right track. He is known well for their dealings with students and for his meticulous execution of any program, particularly as controller of examinations and director of research and library. I welcome him for this function. Welcome, Father. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates. The great teacher inspires, says William Arthur Ward. This quote is very apt for our teachers who inspire our students not only by their teaching but also by their way of life and behavior. On behalf of the management, I invite all the professors for this function. A special note of welcome to our non-teaching staff whose dedicated and tireless service is very much appreciated by everybody. I welcome all the non-teaching staff. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others, says Mahatma Gandhi. Here is a man who has done more than his best and who is very much remembered for his 40 years of commendable service. That is Mr. S. Arigeswamy, the non-teaching staff of our college. I am pleased to welcome Mr. Arigeswamy for this function. Welcome, sir. My heart is filled with immense joy and satisfaction to welcome all the Reverend Fathers, Reverend Brothers and Reverend Sisters who have come over here to witness this College Day function. My special welcome to Reverend Father J. M. Das, Secretary, St. Xavier's College, Palayankotai. Reverend Father Ignacy, Headmaster, St. Xavier's Higher Secondary School. Reverend Sister Lily Puspam, Secretary, St. Ignatius College of Education. Reverend Father Bridgew Vincent, former rector, to this function. A good neighbor is the one who helps, who keeps encouraging us in all walks of life. Similarly, our neighbors keep encouraging us in all the time, especially Dr. A. Amalraj, Principal, Sarada College of Education, Dr. P. Anaraja, Principal, SCAD College of Education, Dr. E.C. Punitha, Principal, St. Ignatius College of Education, and staff and students of St. Ignatius College of Education encourage us in all our activities. I remember them today and welcome them. And my special thanks to Dr. Joseph Erdia Xavier,